Hello and welcome to Turtle Burger Crochet. My name is Brittany. This is Vlogmas Day 15. In today's video, my knitting agenda is to continue working on Little Ladies 2 at a time socks. This yarn I'm using is for a sample knit. It is Chicken Lady Fiber Arts in her Always Sunny collection in the colorway Wild Card. It is kind of getting blown out here, but it is a really pretty light pink with speckles of different shades of blue, darker pinks, and I have noticed a little bit of a lavenderish type of color. This is in her Cerama sock base. I'm using 2.75 millimeter Chiagu needles on a 40-inch cable, which I recommend. I really do like them. And yeah, so this is what I will be working on exclusively today. This is this little gummy bear stitch marker by Louise of Adventures with Yarn is my starting point for today. I am hoping to get through the foot length, which I am to knit. I'm using a sock calculator this go round. And let me just back up. I did a Judy's Magic cast on of 10 stitches on each needle, and I increased to 26 stitches each needle, and that's actually I think I'm just a couple of rows past into the foot length, and I'm to knit to 4.4 inches according to the sock calculator, which was based on my gauge of this yarn and this needle size. So yeah, that's what I will be working on exclusively today and see how much I can get done. Tonight's dinner is Little Smokies, broccoli with lemon juice, mac and cheese. I like to dip my Little Smokies in this no sugar added barbecue sauce, and I have pomegranate lemonade to drink. So it is now the end of day 15. Before I show you the sock, I'm curious. Earlier I was watching, and I showed a clip of it, Heartland, and I'm curious if any of you watched that show or have heard of that show. That is, I think, my favorite show ever. I love it. In fact, Heartland is the only reason that I have the streaming subscription to Up Faith and Family. I think, if I'm understanding my research correctly, is they have first dibs on the U.S. It's a Canadian show for when the U.S. gets it. I don't know if there's some kind of contract or what. But anyway, I love that show. I was just curious if any of you watched it or like it or any of you follow along with it. Anyway, so I did about 45 minutes on the sock today, which again is the 2 at a time Always Sunny collection in the colorway Wild Card. So I was able to get from the gummy here all the way up here. And if you've been following along, just to reiterate, I did a Judy's Magic cast on of 10 and increased to 26. And using a random sock calculator that I happened to come across online, I am to measure to 4.4 inches before I do the heel. Right now I'm at 2.25 inches. So like I said, I was able to get 45 minutes in today. I timed it. It was just random points throughout the day. Tomorrow, because I really need to start picking this up and because I still have one more full skein that I need to get caked up and make 3 socks for. But anyway, I'm hoping tomorrow I can get an hour and a half in, which would be the 45 minutes per sock and not just the 45 minutes for the whole day. We will see how tomorrow goes. But anyway, so I'm super excited for the way this is working up. I absolutely love this colorway. Little lady hijacked my chair back there. Don't want her in the film. But anyway, so that's how this is working out, and I really, really like it. Let me know in the comments if you are working on any month-long projects. I obviously don't have an Advent, but this has kind of been like that, where I'm just working on one set of projects. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.